Okay, so here we go. Got yeah, probably a little bit more than $2,000 worth of airsoft unboxing to do here. And altogether this stuff weighs about 40 pounds. I think this one was 31, this one's 9. Yeah, so actually probably like right at 40 pounds. And so we're gonna go ahead and open up the small one first, of course, and go from there. Oh, of course, that one's like early. Okay, we have 1 and 2 magazines. Oh, hey, got some extra stuff. Okay. Oh wait, no, I did order these ones. Okay, never mind. I forgot I did actually order these ones. Okay, 1,000 40-gram BBs. I bet you're wondering what's in this box then. Nah, at this point you obviously already know. Well, you have your guess. Okay, no, that's opening the box. Oh. Okay. And there we are. Echo 1. This is the Echo 1 PSR, if I remember correctly. Yes, it's kind of a budget, like, sniper rifle. Oh wow, it's already facing you guys and everything. Oh, cool, you get 2 extra mags. Or, well, 2 mags total, I imagine. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Yeah, pretty solid. Real nice. Oh, there we go. Huh. Oh, okay. That should be easy enough to take off. Officially licensed product. Boy, they're really glamoring it all out for that one, aren't they? The stock is a very weird texture to it. I'm not saying I don't like it, but it's definitely not what I expected. It feels solid though. Definitely a real nice solid plastic or polymer or whatever. Polymer. Ooh, that's a good ring to it. Let's see. Speed loader. Yep, nice little tool. Okay, that's just had to double check. We got nothing under there. Put this back in the box. So yeah, there we go. Now I have a sniper rifle. Looking to do a little bit of upgrading to it. Get a better bucking in there, maple leaf, something like that. Okay, of course we're gonna. And I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look up and see if it came with a 6.01 barrel or not. I don't believe so, but it might. If so, then cool. I don't have to change that. Some of you guys might say, "Oh, you have to change the barrel." I don't know. I'm not going all that crazy with it. Oh, hold on. You gotta see this. So here's the end of the box. You see something that shouldn't be there? You know, the fact that it's semi-only. So I didn't realize that was a semi-auto sniper rifle that I just pulled the bolt action on. This is the goodie bag. Or box. I mean, just look at it. They only gave you that much stuff. Okay, so got some EPM mags. Gotta have those. Yep, should be 5 total. Yep, number 5. Okay, so I'm just trying to get a gauge for what all we have here. Okay, so, well, I just want to not have any spoilers, so I'm trying to make sure I'm grabbing things first. Oh, yeah, oh, here we go. No big spoiler, Crytek stock. Hop up for a gun that I already have. And then we'll go ahead and, yeah, no, we won't show that one yet. Okay, so, first one, Crytek box. By the weight, I think I already know which one this is. Okay, let me see if I can maneuver this stuff a little bit better. Yep, yeah, there's some stuff going by you. Don't eat it. It's not food, I swear. Okay, and there you have it. Crytek LMG. You know what? Got the box mag there. Yeah, look at that box mag. Maybe it's got torque in it. Oh, woo. Yeah, that is definitely heavy. Not bad. What do we got there? A little slot for where your bullets would go if it were real. Not quite sure. I mean, not sure what that is there. Oh, that is the. Okay. Okay. So this one here does have looks like their standard rotary style hop up. It's on 3. Usually it's on like 0 on the brand new guns. But, maybe that's, don't know what that is, but it was already loose. Okay, well, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that was loose. Whatever that is. It was making this whole bottom handguard here try to come off. Or at least wiggle some anyways. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but there's a tiny little Picatinny rail up there. I guess you could mount your run cam. Maybe. I don't know, this card might stop that though. Other than that, unless you got a really powerful laser, because usually minimal engagement with this is like 100 feet, 75 feet, stuff like that, depending on the field. Yeah, you got your key mod rails. Okay, this is pretty nice. Oh wait, we gotta finish the package here. There we go. Yeah, if I remember correctly, this one does not even come with the battery, which, you know, no big deal. I got spare batteries for it. Okay. Okay, so there we go, got the LMG. Let's see, there we go, put that in there like that. Oh wow, yeah, see there's a Picatinny rail there on the stock even too. Actually, you know what? Just because of that little feature, I gotta see. No, nothing different. And of course, it is the small Tamiya plug. I don't know. To me, any gun over $200 should not have a Tamiya plug. And that just it's real cheap. Beans are not, you know, $100 or some shit. They're real cheap. And so we got another Crytek box. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna see if I can just leave this for you guys as I drop it on my foot and stuff. Okay. You're probably noticing you can't really see it through the styrofoam. Normally you see the black silhouette. Well, that is because this here is the white Crytek Vector. Okay, that one is coming. There we go. A lot. Oh my gosh. Oof. Man, now I can know how a stormtrooper really feels like. Keep on missing everybody, just shooting tons of rounds and still missing. Oh wow. That is very, very nice. Definitely different that you get to see the actual top of the hop-up unit there. Normally, you know, on most guns that's so covered up and buried inside the gun. Okay, well, obviously this is my first Crytek Vector ever. Man, there's a lot of different controls on here. I see we got like this bottom plate here. I imagine that might be, well, not quite sure what's in there. Oh, okay, so yeah, that's the battery compartment. So that's definitely probably the motor area. And yep, it's wired to Dean's the way it should be. That's nice. Oh, you know what, here, I'll let you guys get a peek in there then. How about that? Yep, it's a black Dean's too. Normally, I don't ever see those. Usually they're all red or a burnt red color. Hi, are you scavenging? Okay. So the body, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be metal. But I always thought these were supposed to be plastic. But if it's a plastic, it's definitely... Oh, okay, it is a polymer or plastic. But it's a very, very solid, hefty gun. Really, for the size. I expected it to be a lot lighter. So I don't know if that's a plus or minus for you guys. Okay. I wonder, does this stock pad probably comes off? It looks like it's removable, that you would still be able to put something in here, maybe even a spare battery for down here. So that way, boom, you just kind of have that right there in the middle of the milsim. Yeah, you got some nice little features on here. You got, I guess that could be your hand stopper or even... Okay, so sorry, we had some technical difficulties. The device that is shooting this footage decided to malfunction, and it also has voice recognition features, so if I say certain things, it will turn it off. I might have accidentally said something that turned it off. Okay, cool, that didn't trigger it either. Anyways, I'm not sure where I was going to talk next. Oh yeah, I was just mentioning the feature how you could probably put that against the wall or even a ledge and stuff and just kind of, you know, get some extra leverage there and hold the gun still. Okay, so let's see what we get with this Crytek Vector. We got... Ooh, wow, that's a nice little gun stand too. We got one small little... I think this is a 50 round magazine. Could be wrong, but I think it is 50 rounder. It goes in nice and flush. Or well. Yeah, relatively flush. Just like that. Stay open. We're not done yet. Okay. So yeah, I'm not sure. There's a paddle here. Not sure what that does, but boom. Oh wow, ejects the mag beautifully. And you do have one. Can't remember if it was. I don't think it was high cap, but it is bigger than that last one. Yeah, it's not a typical high cap. I want to say this one was like 120 rounds, maybe? This one I'm not as sure on. I'm almost positive on the smaller one. Man, these are very, very light. Like, they definitely are like nothing. So, yeah. Okay. So there's that. We do have flip-up sights, though for CQB gun I'm not going to use those at all. I'm not going to use any scope, just going to be a laser for me. Ooh, an extended battery box little thing here. Give you a little bit more room to put a bigger battery, because realistically the space you got in there is tiny at best. And ooh, I finally have an adapter now. You know, I've never got around to buying one, but this came with one. Okay, that looks to be everything from this box. Let's go ahead and stow those away. Okay, on to the next. Don't worry, at this point there's no more guns. Now it's just accessories and tools and stuff. Okay. What is this one? Firestorm 1500 round drum mag. Gee, I wonder what this could do. It's 2, nothing currently, no adapter on it. But right over here, we got the Crytek Vector adapter. Okay. Ooh, okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, yep. Okay. Simple enough. And maybe just get to that little screw there. Okay. Yeah, that's simple enough. Man, here we go. I'm just gonna lightly put that on. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on once I'm done recording here. Put that on. Just a few turns. Okay, we got one small magazine, another small magazine, 3-pack of the larger ones. Yeah, let's see. Oh, 95 rounds. 95 rounds for the large ones. Okay. What else do we have at this point? Oh, yes. Another box mag for the LMG. And what's this one? Looks like I'm going to need my knifey knife. And pop. Oh yes, this is a Crytek lower. I had another lower of mine on one of my other Cryteks. It cracked near the back, of course. So this one here is to replace it. Actually, no, it cracked up near the front. That's where it was. But yeah, there's a replacement for that. This one should be good to go. And this one here is a box mag for the G&G ARP9. Currently I don't have the ARP9. I own one technically, but been waiting to get it from Umbrella Armory. Ordered it back in December, but they got a huge backlog of other orders, so they're kind of taking a while to get things pumped out, but they are, doing the best they can, I guess. Okay, so this is pretty much it. I'll probably be doing a video of test firing, whatnot, and more detailed instructions and stuff onto each one of these guns and how they operate. And I'll see you then.